Have you ever seen an apple orchard?
Yeah. What is that?
What is that? What's an apple orchard?
A lot of apple trees put together?
Yeah, it's like a big old farm and field of apple orchards. So, you know what the farmers do? They put the trees into rows. So if I wanted 6 trees in a row, what would I do here?
Make it a row. Make it a...
There's a thought. Trees.
You take them how many in a row?
6. We still have 6 in the row, but they want another row of trees. I think they're going to build a decent sized orchard. Ooh, is there a difference?
Yeah.
He asked about a column or a row?
A column goes up and down, and a row goes back, left and right.
Okay, so he wants 6 in each row. So is that going to be the up and down, or is that going to be the side to side?
Side to side.
Okay, I'm glad you guys know.
Like heels, they do columns, not rows.
So what if I told you I want 6 in each row, but I want 5 in each column?
Done. Oh wait.
Would you see if you can build what that might look like?
Oh yeah, I'm done. I'm done.
But how many columns? Oh, fine.
I need 5 in a column and 6 in each row. I'm just wondering, without yelling it out, because I know some of you are thinking ahead a little bit, I'm just curious about how many trees that might be on the whole farm, but don't say anything. Just think about it. Just think about it. I'm wondering how many trees this farmer might have.
5 of these. So 6 times 5.
There you go. Yeah.
There's columns.
Uh-huh.
No, 6 columns that have 5 in them each.
6 columns.
Yeah.
Show me.
Because there's 6 in each row, and just one of them represents part of.
So how many? Oh.
See, because columns go up and down. So you'd see 1.
So I have 6 columns.
Yeah, and 5 rows. So then there's 5 in each column and 6 in each row.
Can you explain what he just said?
So there's like 5 rows. There's 5 rows of 6.
Okay.
I mean, there's 6 rows of 6 rows and 5 columns. There's 6 columns of 5.
Actually,
5
in the
rows of 6.
beginning you said there's 6 rows and 5 columns, even though there's only 5.
What's he saying?
Even though there's only 5
Okay,
rows
time
and
out.
6 columns.
What's he saying? I'm not following. Can you guys help me out?
He's saying there's 5 rows and 6 columns, and since it's 6 people, we could like represent 1 row.
You could each have your own row of trees?
No, or own tree.
Wow.
In each
So where's the 6?
6.
Where's the 6? Is it 6 rows or 6 columns?
6 rows. No, 6 columns.
Keep building yours. Keep building yours. You're on the right track. Is it 6? Because I told you to put 6 in a row. So is that 6 rows or 6 columns?
6 columns because there's 5 in each column,
Are you confused?
and in
I'm confused.
I'm confused.
See,
also.
1.
I don't think it makes sense.
This is a
Help me.
column.
I
This
think
is a
it's
column.
because if you do 5
This
and
is
6
a column.
Hang on.
is the same, and then 5 and 6 is like the same as
So if he's saying there's 6 columns, where's the 6 columns? Where would you see that?
Right here. Also, I made a representatory column.
I see that.
That's
Where's your 6 columns? Where's 1 column?
here.
Oh, so where's another column? So if this is 1 column right here, where's another column? Right there? And how many of those columns would you have?
6.
Okay, what's he saying? Where's 1 column here?
Right here.
And how many of those do I have?
You have 5 of those.
Count them, show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So I have 5 in the column, but they're saying I have 5 total columns. Or 6
So
total
1,
columns.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So what's the difference between 5 in a column and 6 columns?
Because there's
Hang on, others get turns. You're gonna check. Okay, tell me.
5 in a column, that's how many is in one column. But 6 columns that's how many columns there is.
What'd she say? Should I have her say it again? Okay, I'm gonna ask you what she said. Here we go.
5 in a column
Show.
means 5 in a column means that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But 6 columns means that there's 6 columns.
So, what is she saying? She's saying if I have 5, I have that in one column.
Yeah.
And then you're telling me, what's she telling me? How do I have 6 columns?
no 6 rows.
He has them lined up.
Oh, lined up like this, so that's one. And I'm gonna have how many of those?
6.
It's
So it's multiplication. It's like the same thing because
no,
there's 5
columns.
and then there's like 6, but then you can do these as 5.
Ooh, that's a whole nother idea. Okay, now we're gonna move on. I think you guys can explain to me mostly the columns and the rows stuff. Now, before you do anything, I'm gonna count to 3 and, well, no, I'm not. I'm gonna have you think, not say, cover your mouth if you're a blurter. I'm a blurter. How many total trees are in my orchard? Think about it.
Wait, what's an orchard?
This is your tree. An orchard is like a apple tree farm. No? Okay, I'm watching for those who had listen to my instructions. I'm listening for those that know. Give me thumbs up if you know how many trees are in my orchard or in your orchard. Let's see. How many trees do you think? Give me thumbs up. If you need to count them or figure them out. How many trees are in your orchard?
30.
How do you know that?
I counted my 5s.
Show me.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Okay, so in one of your box, go ahead, I'm gonna give you all a pencil. How many of you counted by 5s? Okay, good. Let's write that down. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Did somebody figure it out different than counting by 5s?
I counted by 6.
Ooh. I'm gonna give you about 5 minutes to figure out different ways to figure out how there are 30. So you said you counted by 6s, so she would record that by here. And somebody else, you would figure it out somewhere else. Do you think you can? Well, it's because I